Hi, Yorkie friends. Welcome to Yorkie 101. Full disclosure, I've been a Yorkie mom for 15 years and I have learned quite a bit. Not all Yorkies are the same, but I wanted to share my knowledge, and so these videos are all based on my personal experiences and opinions. Today we're going to talk about Yorkie teeth. These little cuties are notorious for having bad tooth hygiene. The reason is well, they're so tiny, and I guess their mouths are just packed with teeth. They're really tight back there. So my mantra has always been habit, habit, habit. If you are listening to this and you have a puppy, that's great. Start them off young. Get them one of these infant toothbrushes and some enzymatic toothpaste and brush twice a day. It won't take you that long, don't worry. But this is what we've been doing since our Yorkie has been a puppy, every morning and every night. And honestly, it's all about prevention. Think about their future and think about them in their senior years. If you can do the most now, it's definitely better. If you are listening to this and you have an older Yorkie, they might be a little stubborn, but you never know. Not all Yorkies are the same. You can try to distract them, but just try your best. Try to get in there at least once a day and just get some cleaning done. That would be really, really helpful. Some of you might be wondering, is there anything I can give them to chew on that would, help with plaque buildup or anything like that? Well, I don't really recommend anything artificial because I'm kind of like a more natural healer. So I love giving my Yorkie a little bit of celery, some carrots, some apples, something crunchy that can also be nutritious. And sometimes their bad breath doesn't come from their teeth. It might just be coming from their diet. So what are you feeding your Yorkie? I am going to address Yorkie diet in another video. Feel free to check that one out later. But yes, diet can play a very big role. Another thing that we recently bought was it's like this little syringe. It's like a water irrigation syringe. I'll put a picture here. And I have found that if you've given your dog something to eat and there's food stuck back there, this syringe is so strong that it just helps you so much with getting out big chunky things stuck in the teeth. So I definitely recommend one of these. And it's a great way to keep them hydrated too. Another thing that I wanted to talk about, it's really helpful and pretty easy to do, but pop by your vet's office like once or twice a year and just say, hey, can you just check on my Yorkie's teeth? It's better to be preventative always. That way you can get to the root of the problem if there ever is a problem. We just don't want our little babies to be suffering and in pain, so we might as well take care of something before it starts. If you have come to the point where you have missed out on a few years, or maybe you have a rescue and you don't know their dental records, that's okay. Just deal with it. You're going to have to get in there, get a deep cleaning or some teeth pulled or whatever it might be. And don't worry about it. Just get that stuff taken care of. But then moving forward, I would say try to get back on track and try the teeth brushing method. But yes, regarding the vet, I know some of you are like, vet bills. I have had I've had health insurance for my dog for all of his life, and it's very, very helpful. I know that some insurances don't cover dental things, so make sure you look into that before you sign up for one and end up with like a huge bill. All right, well, happy teeth cleaning, and feel free to leave any messages or comments below, and I will get back to you. Thanks so much.